I like playing with little cars, building roads and racing fast. No one around, it's time for transformations. We are little monster cars. We are looking for adventures. Play with us, play like us. We are Mocas, beep, beep, beep. We are Mocas monster cars.
A baseball lies on the path. Gru found it and put it in his bed. Bussy, let's go.
Let's play soccer. A soccer field.
Gru throws the ball.
What are the other cars up to? Boo the bulldozer found a picnic basket.
Mocas, picnic! Ooh! Bushy!
Ah, the cars are playing on the blanket. It's perfect for a picnic.
Picnic!
Bring the basket with the snacks here, quickly.
Oops!
Where's the basket? It was definitely on the table. Here it is. Cray and Dex found it.
Transformation.
Cray gets out the grapes.
Transformation.
Oh, cars, wait! Let's invite your friends. Bussy and Gru went to look for the basket. It's not under the bush.
Mocas!
Boo is right. Let's take the basket to the lawn and put everything on the blanket and have a picnic together. Deal?
Keep going! More! Keep going! Here! Stop!
Take everything out of the basket.
Transformation.
Bussy brought the plates. Boo lays out the sandwiches. Cray takes out the grapes. Look! Bussy found a glass. She's putting flowers in it. Gru found a jar of jam in the basket. Crackers! There's even a vase of flowers at the picnic. Very pretty. Good job, cars! Now you can eat.
Transformation.
Yum, oh, so good! Hey!
Voice talents.
David Cleveland Brown.
And Jana Polzin.